Christine J. Diesel. And your new automatic Mariveles 2023 Hazel Eye Kalubay. So, eto na. A quick chit-chat lang para po sa ating mga beauty queens. Can I have a microphone, please? Microphone. Okay, so, hi! Kumusta? Kamusta?
I am so grateful because I am one of the official top 5 of candidates in Mariveles.
Wow, okay. So, after the competition, ano yung magiging plan mo?
Of course, I will still continue my advocacy, which is embracing one's imperfections, wherein I want my co-women, all Marivelenians, to embrace themselves, to not afraid to take the first step, embrace themselves, and to create their own story.
Okay, thank you so much. Our the third runner-up now, second runner-up. Hi, kumusta?
I'm feeling great and thankful today.
Yan, marami ka bang fans ngayon? Can you greet your friends na nandito? Or malayo sa inyo? Malayo. Okay. Anyway, ano yung plans mo after this? I mean like, third na ikaw as a second runner-up.
Just like my ate, which is the third runner-up, I will also continue my advocacy, which is youth empowerment. Because this is actually my second time joining the mutya ng Mariveles. And back in 2020, I'm also the representative of San Carlos. And I want every youth, every fellow Marivelenyo and Marivelenyo of mine to continue to try again, even though they face failure. Those failures that they will experience will be nothing compared to the success and happiness that they will feel once they achieve their goal.
Ayan, very well said. And of course, sa ating first runner-up muna, ay sa ano na lang po, sa fourth runner-up. Hi! Ay, ikaw ba ang pinakabata? Hindi naman. Ikaw yung pinakabata. Okay. Alright, so ano yung plans mo after the competition?
So, continue ko po yung mga backlogs na iwan ko nung nag-start yung journey ko dito sa Mutya. And just like them, I want to
runner-up?
For me po, as a psychology student, I will still continue my advocacy and yung thesis po namin, papapatuloy ko po, which is meron po kami platform na gagawin na connected po sa advocacy ko, which is the mental health awareness, that I want other people, especially the Mariveles, to feel that they're not alone, that there's always someone who can listen, understand, and care for their situation. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. And syempre, ang bagong mutya ng Mariveles 2023. Hi! Kumusta naman ang life after crowning moment mo?
So grateful and honored po to be selected as Sir New Mutya ng Mariveles 2022.
Okay, so ano yung magiging plans mo? Like, ano ba yung advocacy?
Mental health awareness.
Okay, so ano yung magiging plans mo?
Actually po sir, I joined Mutya ng Mariveles not only to win or wear a crown, but to be a good example and a beautiful epitome to many people, and to pursue the advocacy of mine, which is all about mental health awareness, because I know that it is my responsibility to challenge the stigma that mental health is facing in our municipality that is relevant, especially nowadays, after the pandemic. Thank you.
Ayan, grabe yung mga answers nila, no? Pang final night. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, parapakan po natin your new queens na mutya ng Mariveles 2023. A round of applause, guys! Come on! So, thank you so much and good luck.